Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In today's practice, we'll explore how our meditation practice can train us to be better prepared for challenges and hardships. Take a moment to settle into a comfortable position. Lengthen your spine without hardening. And as you close your eyes, let your neck and shoulders relax and rest your hands in your lap. Now, take a few deep, long breaths. Feel your ribs and lungs expanding and releasing fully. And now, return to a natural breathing rhythm. Feel your breath move smoothly in and out. Note the moment your breath begins, when the air first enters your nostrils, and follow your inhalation all the way to its natural turning point. Stay with your breath as you exhale all the air out, and then note the moment your inhale begins again. At a certain point, distractions will arise. This is perfectly normal. Whether it's a thought, an emotion, a noise, or a physical sensation, let each distraction become a part of your experience. Without judgments or labels, return to your breath with kindness and ease. Every time you bring your attention back to your breath, you are training your mind to stay focused and present. It's natural for our minds to wander. So rather than getting upset or frustrated, note the distraction and lovingly return to your breath, even if you have to do it 100 times. Stay with the full cycle of breath from the beginning of your inhale to the end of your exhale. And now, soften your attention. We've all felt the calming effect of deep breathing during stressful times. Some of us have even gotten into the habit of carving out time for meditation during rough patches. These tools are certainly helpful when adversity arises. Still, they get even more powerful when we integrate them into our daily routine. Think of your meditation practice almost as a training camp. When basketball season ends, the players use that downtime to care for their health, build their strength, and refine their skills. As they sharpen their abilities, they become better athletes. They are better prepared to face the fierce competition that will inevitably come in the next season. It is much the same with meditation. When we dedicate time to practice, especially when we feel stable and calm, we are building our ability to stay present and centered during more challenging times. The skills we grow in the easeful moments are tools that will support us in the difficult ones. So make meditation part of your daily routine. Use it to train for the hard days. As you build your strength and resilience, it will serve you well when difficulty shows up. Now, slowly return to your breath. Feel your body in space. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you back here tomorrow.